Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do the unboxing of the latest budget offering from iVoomi in India, the iVoomi I2 Lite. So iVoomi i2 was a smartphone announced a couple of months back, and now we have the light version of the iVoomi i2. So this device retails for 6,500 rupees in India, and we'll just do an unboxing. We'll show you some camera samples, some of the features of this device which is offered at a budget price segment. So this is the iVoomi i2 Lite, the box packing, and the back we have the specifications mentioned here. So it comes with a 5.45 inches HD plus resolution display, the 18:9 aspect ratio. Then it has dual cameras, 13 plus 2 megapixel dual camera, and it's a Sony sensor, 8 megapixel front camera, again with 4P lens, and 2GB RAM, 16GB storage, 4000 mAh capacity battery, 2 ampere fast charging. That's kind of slightly older, but still it has the 2 ampere charging, and OTG support is there, facial recognition, face unlock is there, 1.5 GHz quad core MediaTek 6739 chipset, and it comes with the dual 4G support. That's something pretty good because even some of the flagship devices do not offer dual 4G. So this comes with the dual 4G VoLTE SIM support, and it has Android 8.1 Oreo out of the box. And that's a product specification, dual camera, and it has a 4000 mAh capacity battery. That's again pretty good for this price segment. So 6,500 you get all these features. Now let's do the unboxing. So let's open the seal here, then let's take this device out. So there you go. On the top we have this iVoomi i2 Lite. So let's just take this out of the case. So there you go. So design and build quality device, it is quite similar to the i2 which we reviewed recently. It has a glossy finish, and we have this dual camera, iVoomi branding is there, and here we have the power and volume keys on the right side. The left side houses no ports or openings, and the top we have the micro USB charging slot as well as the 3.5mm audio jack included, and at the bottom we have this speaker unit. So let's boot this device, and in the meantime let's see what all comes inside the box. So opening up, you can see a screen guard is included, and then we have the user manual and warranty information, and we have this standard USB cable. Then we also have a standard adapter. So let's just see the voltage rating. So 5 volt 2 ampere, so that's already mentioned. So that's the adapter. So that's all inside the box. Now let's see the device. So that's the iVoomi i2 Lite. So this comes with Android 8.1 Oreo out of the box. So let's just go to the system settings and see about phone. So you can see Android 8.1 Oreo, and the Android security patch level is from April. So that's the UI. So you can see that this device has more or less similar to stock Android, nothing much customized, but we have a couple of gestures included, system motion, and few other gestures are supported. Other than that, it's plain and stock like UI, and you also have this app drawer, so you can just swipe here. But this device also comes pre-installed with a few apps. So that's the UI. So you can see here Opera News, UC browser, Flipkart, Amazon, few apps are pre-installed on this device. And this comes with the MediaTek MT6739 quad core chipset and 2GB RAM, and it has 16GB internal storage. So the highlight of this device is the 4000 mAh capacity battery. So that should be quite good enough for more than a day of usage. So in the budget segment, 4000 mAh capacity battery is something pretty good for travelers. Now let's have a look at the camera UI. So this comes with a dual camera setup. So it has 13 and 2 megapixel primary camera, and let's see the UI. So you can see here the UI is improved, and we have this photo, video, face beauty, blur mode is also included, then mono pro mode is also included. So some interesting modes are there. We'll just test out this. So let's just take some images using this device, and we'll just show you how good the clarity of this photo is. So these are some of the samples we have taken with the iVoomi i2 Lite after unboxing the device. So you can check yourself the quality of some photos taken with this device. So the device retails for 6,499 rupees, that's 6,500 rupees in India, and this will be available in India starting July 4th. So that was unboxing and hands-on with the iVoomi I2 Lite. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the red subscribe button for more videos. This is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.